Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Cudy AC1200 for the first time. And to do this, first thing is to connect your Cudy to internet and power source. And actually internet is kind of optional, but you can see that it's powered on with this LED lamp right here. It's glowing, and that means we have a power. Now give it a few seconds and it should power on the Wi-Fi. Now we can move on to our PC or smartphone in this case, but I'll be doing it on a smartphone. It's pretty much the same thing if you're doing it on PC. Only difference is a software, so we just need to open Wi-Fi. And then in available networks you should be able to find your Cudy, but you can also do it using the Ethernet cable and connect it to your PC or laptop. That way you won't be needing to connect using Wi-Fi. Now when you're doing it with Wi-Fi, you'll be able to pick two different networks. We have a 5G and 2.4 band Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna go with 5G. Now it will ask for a password, and you can find it on the bottom of your router, and it's pretty much right here. It's SSID for 5G, and the password is 891488853. For you it might be different. Let's enter it now. And since I didn't connect any internet source to this router, I won't be having any internet, but anyway we can perform a setup using the configuration website. And if you want to connect the internet to this router, then you will need to plug in the WAN plug right here for the internet. Now let me open a configuration website. And the configuration website link should be on the bottom of the router as well, and we have it right here. It's IP 192.168.10.1 without points. So let's do it. Confirm it. Yep, it's this one. Now when you enter this website, there's a login, and we need to enter a password. And if you're doing it for the first time and your Cudy is factory new, the password should be admin. And here we can perform the setup, so we can change a different operation mode: wireless router, wireless access point, wireless extender, or WASP. I'm gonna go with wireless router. Then we can choose our time zone. In this case it should detect it automatically, and yep, it did. So let's move on to the next step. No broadband access signal is detected, since I don't have any internet connection with it. So I'm gonna go with this default host name. You can enter any of the and change any of those settings if you like. Then we can change the wireless network name and a password. So here's the name, pick whichever one you like. Then there's the password. If you click on this I, you'll be able to check it out. And I'm not gonna change it. Let's proceed. Here we can confirm all of the settings that we've just changed, and we can click on save and apply. And I think, yep, it just changed my network, since that one wasn't available, because I think router just restarted because we've changed some of its settings. So let's connect back and move back to the website. And from here it will move us to the homepage of the IP configuration site, and we can adjust it however we like, and the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.